Alright, I'm going to tie this speckled wing case WD-40. I had somebody send me a picture of it, wanted me to tie them up I liked it, so I figured I'd shoot a video. This is the thread I'm using, 8.0 Rusty Dunn from Uni. I've got a size 18 caddis emerger hook in the vise. And the thread color here is for the rib. That's why we went with a Rusty Dunn. For the tail, I'm going to use some lemon barred wood duck. Split on me a little bit. The tail came out a little bit long. That's better. I'll leave this on top, coming up to the front. Jump my thread to the back. The dubbing is a 50-50 blend of chocolate antron and medium olive antron. Get that noodle there tight. And whatever little bit is left, I try to cut that out on top to hide it under the wing case. Let's go ahead and bring the rib up. Tie that off. For the thorax, I'm using muskrat under fur. It's got a nice gray color to it. You could use something else if you wanted. Okay. Put our wing case in. Now we'll just finish off the head. Just doing a colored wet whip. And that's it. Not too bad. Now, if you liked the video, I always appreciate a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. And as always, happy tying, take care, and we'll see you next time.